Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Wish Wednesday. Wish Wednesday, it's a fantastic day since that is the possibility for you guys to wish for a song here on Gordon Guitar and for me to bring it up for you. And this time we have the wisher called CC. Not sure what that stands for, but CC, you wished for Skele's song called Snow. A beautiful song from Skele, like always. We had Skele here before. It was a while ago since you wished this, so it's right about the time to bring this up. So this is specially for you. I hope you enjoy this. Now we have this kind of melody going on through the entire song, and it differs a little bit. Sometimes it goes back and forth with what notes is used here, but I'm gonna give you one basic pattern here. And I'm gonna do it in two different ways. We will go over the basic kind of grips or chords or whatever you want to call it, and then we will put in some notes in between these chords. So you can go either the just basic way of just playing the chords as they are, and that is exactly how it's done in the song, and then the notes in between, they differs a little bit and throughout the song. Okay, so that is what this tutorial is all about. So let's start with this different grips, and I'm gonna call them G sharp minor, first one. The second one is F sharp, and the last two are E. Okay, so that is not exact the chord we are using here, it's just a base for this notes here. All right, so the first G sharp minor melody or notes will be this. Okay, so that is fourth on E, second on A, third on G, and open B. Okay, the next will be the F sharp based notes. That will sound like this. That is second on E, second on A, third on G, and fourth on G. Okay, and now you perhaps wonder why fourth on G, since that is the same note as the open B. So open B sounds like this, and fourth G like that. So it's the same note, and we have a reason for that. I'm gonna come to that later. But for now, just stick with the third G, fourth G in the ender. All right. The next two chords are the E-based chords or notes. So the first one will sound like this. All right. So that is open E, second A, third G, and open B. So open E, second A, third G, open B. And that final E variation here, you can say, is this. That is open E, second A, fourth D, and fourth G. What I suggest you to do here is to bar the second fret from the A string and down. That means from the fifth string and down. That gives you these notes built in, and that will be easier for you to hold this grip here. So that is my suggestion here. So there you have the basic melody here. I'm gonna play through these four patterns. So let's start from the G sharp minor. Right, so there we have them. That is how you could play this song, and that will be perfectly fine because you will really play how it's done here in the song. Now we will add some notes in between these patterns. This is optional, and these notes then can differ a little bit from the ones that is used in the song. This pattern I'm gonna give you is used in the song, but not all the time, so it goes a little bit back and forth. So I'm just gonna give you one way of handling the notes here. So these notes works as a bridge between the chords. So we'll start with the first one. As soon as you play this one, the first pattern, the G sharp minor, you're gonna play this as a bridge to the next chord, and that is third on G, second on B, open B, and third on G. Okay, then we'll have the next chord that's played, the F sharp, that sounds like this. Then I will have the notes in between. They sound like this. All right. So that is fourth on B, second on B, fourth on G, third on G, then third on G again, and you hammer on to the fourth on G. So 2 times on the third G, and you hammer on the fourth in the end. So again, fourth B, second B, fourth G, third G again, and hammer on to fourth. Yeah. Then we have the next 2 E chords left, and the first one sounds like this. Then it comes the notes, and you can play the exact same notes that you just learned here from the fourth B and the hammer-ons in the end. Exact the same notes as you just played for the F sharp chord. So that is the notes in between there, and the final notes after the last chord here is okay. So you play that second on E, fourth on B, fourth on G, second on B, fourth B, fourth G, third G, and fourth G. Okay, so let's go over the notes again. Second E, for G, B, sorry. Second E, 4B, 4G. Second B, 4B, 4G. Third B, 4G. Yeah, so that is how it's done with the notes in between. So that is pretty much what you need for this song, Skele's Snow. And yeah, I hope you, CC, are satisfied with this tutorial. This was special for you, but also for all you Skele fans. And I know there are many fans out there. I got many wishes about songs from Skele here. And if you're interested in more songs from Skele, stay tuned here on this channel, since we will bring them up later on. So thank you for watching, guys, and hope to see you soon. Don't forget to leave a comment if you like this one, thumb this up, and if you want to know more about what you can learn here from Gordon Guitar, make a wish here and we will see what we can bring up. And most of all, play tuned.